cleanup day, so we're going to run you through some ways to dispose of waste properly. Let's start with your red lidded garbage bin. So one of the biggest questions we have at the moment is, what do we do with face masks? So face masks are made out of different types of materials, and because of this, they always have to go in your red lidded garbage bin. Nappies are also made of different materials and they're soiled, so these always have to go in your red lidded garbage bin. So food waste, there's different things you can do with it, but if you don't have a compost bin or a worm farm or something similar, these have to go also in your red lidded garbage bin. But we'll talk about composting later. If your soft plastic can be scrunched up into your hand like this, it can go in your red lidded garbage bin. But if it's a hard plastic, that goes into your recycling bin. So coffee cups often have lids. The lid can be taken off, and because that is a hard plastic, that can be recycled as well. But the coffee cup itself is made with plastic lining, and because of that, it has to go in your general bin. So this is our worm farm here at Council, and we use this to dispose of our food waste. There's other ways though you can dispose of your food waste. You can use a compost bin or even a bokashi bin, and you can find more information on this on our website. So in this bin you can put in shrubs, you can also put in your clipped grasses, you can put in small twigs, and you can also put flowers. So let's move on to your recycling bin. One of the biggest questions we get asked is, what kind of plastics can you recycle? So as we said earlier, if the plastic is small and scrunchy, it goes in your red lidded waste bin. If the plastic is hard and it obviously can't be scrunched into your hand, it can be recycled. So let's put that back in. The cans can be put in the recycling bin, and that's where you need to put them instead of the other two. But you can also put these in the return and earn reverse vending machine. So with milk bottles, these go in the recycling bin. However, you have to take the lids off so that these can get recycled properly. All paper can be recycled. However, you must rinse and dry the recycling so this paper doesn't get wet. If it gets wet, it cannot be recycled properly. We hope you continue to utilize your bins properly and clean up the world.